Wait lang.
Wait lang daw.
Wait lang. Happy birthday! Ayan, nalagay natin. Happy birthday, Nene!
Nini lang?
Ba't Nene lang?
Walang Nini.
Ito pa. Ito na, para kay Catriona. Catriona Junicio. Nalagay natin. Na yun. Birthday ko yan.
Dami po, sister.
Kapit kailangan sa ano, para hindi mo mahulog.
At yun medyo ayos mo yung ano mo, masyado yung buka yan. Baka mamaya may ma.
Ang ating celebrant.
Yan.
Yun!
Medyo yan. O kaya mo na bang, kaya pakita mo sa kanilang pwede ka magdi-4. Hindi.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sino ba yung video? To you! Wait lang! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wait lang!
Wait lang, bro. What do you want?
Dali mo. Hindi lang isa. Kita ng isa para sa kanya.
Isa pa!
Ayan.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Blow. Vote.
Happy birthday, Nini! Blow!
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday.
Well, I'm just grateful na nasa ka na ngayon. And sana continue lang. Maging malakas ka lalo. And sa dati, alam ko naman, nagtatry ikaw ng matindi. And dito lang kami, laging to support you. Whatever you need, huwag kang mag-alala, huwag kang ma-stress. Dahil lahat naman magagawa natin ng paraan. Basta sasabihin mo nga lang sa akin all the time.
Yes, thank you for feeding us, for cooking for us, and just loving us both. And we are here for you. And salamat talaga sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin. We love you and stay well. Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye-bye, Mama.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Nine, happy birthday! Sa kusina ako, nagluluto ako, nag-eksperimento ako, almond flour tortillas. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful and blessed birthday. God bless. Love you. Bye! See you, hopefully, maybe this year around Christmas. But anyways, miss ko kayo lahat. Bye!
Hi ate, happy birthday! This is my third greetings to you. I don't know if it is working okay, but I want to greet you. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, and I hope you like yung gift namin ni Tata sa'yo. Once again, happy birthday! We love you ate. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Hi Mars, happy birthday. Let's just give thanks to the Lord for the gift of life that we are enjoying today. I wish you the best, not only today but always. I love you Mars, happy birthday.
Hi Talins, wishing you a blessed and joyful birthday. Good health for you and more celebrations to come. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tita Lina! Happy birthday! May God bless you and give you good health always. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Hello, Tita Lina. This is Sam. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I hope you're doing well. Have a great birthday. Stay healthy. Take care. God bless. Hi.
Hi, Tita Lina. Happy birthday. And I'm so happy to know that you're doing a lot better now. So God bless. I'm hoping someday I can see you face to face. You know, even if it's sometime from now, and I can just give you a hug, and together let's just thank God for your healing. God bless you, and happy birthday, Tita. Looking forward to seeing you someday. I love you.
Tatlo yung birthday niya. Simon and Caleb, one more time.
Tatlo na happy birthday.
So for that, you bless us, Lord. The gifts we're about to receive from your mercy. Amen. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!